Wizards' functions are like magical spells you define once and use anywhere, like def evaluate model accuracy. They bundle code for tasks like model evaluation, making AI programs modular and reusable. You'll see how functions simplify AI coding in our demos.
Anastasia, how do functions make AI coding easier? Can you give an example?
Great question, Olivia. Functions like def process drawn features, data, let you reuse data processing logic across AI projects without rewriting code. They save time and reduce errors, and we'll show you how in our demos. Wizards define functions with def function name and add code inside, like print, hello AI. Functions can take parameters like accuracy to process AI data dynamically. You'll learn to create functions in our demo to evaluate models.
Functions are like custom AI tools, wizards. Write def evaluate model accuracy to check model performance once and reuse it anywhere. Get ready to craft functions that make your AI code powerful and clean.
Wizards, parameters like accuracy and def evaluate model accuracy. Let functions process data. Arguments like 0.85 are the values you pass when calling evaluate model ear 0.85. This makes functions flexible for AI tasks like evaluating models.
Parameters are like placeholders for AI data, wizards. You can pass multiple arguments like features and threshold to process datasets. We'll show you how to use parameters in our demo to make AI code dynamic.
Wizards, return statements send results back from functions, like return, excellent, in evaluate_model. This lets you store or use the output, like result equals evaluate_model, 0.85, for AI logic. Return values are key for modular AI workflows.
Ethan, why is return better than print for AI functions?
Great question, Olivia. Return lets you use the output in other parts of your AI code, like saving result for further processing, while print just displays it. We'll demo return to show its power, wizards.
Wizards, default parameters let functions work without arguments, like def process features threshold to 1.0. If you call process features data, it uses threshold 1.0 automatically. This is perfect for AI functions with optional settings.
Defaults make functions user-friendly, wizards. In AI, you can set default thresholds for data processing, making your code flexible. We'll use defaults in our demo to simplify AI workflows.
Wizards, functions are the backbone of AI code. Use def evaluate model to check model performance or def process features to pre-process data for neural networks. They make your AI code reusable and organized, and we'll show you how in our demos.
In real AI projects, functions handle tasks like data cleaning or model evaluation, used in libraries like Scikit-learn. Your Day 37 skills are industry-relevant, wizards. Get ready to apply functions in Day 38's modules.
Wizards, functions are central to AI libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow. Define functions to pre-process data in NumPy or evaluate models in Scikit-learn, as in our demos. These skills make your AI code reusable and industry-ready.
You're already using functions with NumPy, wizards. That's a huge step. In Day 38, modules will build on functions for larger AI projects. Keep practicing to dominate AI coding.
Wizards, lambda functions are quick, one-line functions, like lambda x greater than 1 for filtering data. They're perfect for AI tasks, like passing functions to NumPy's filter. We'll show lambda functions in the shell for fast AI coding.
Lambda functions are like instant AI spells, wizards. Use lambda x2 to transform data quickly. Try them in our challenge to see their power.
Wizards, clean functions are readable and efficient. Use clear names like evaluate model, add docstrings like evaluate AI model accuracy, and keep functions short for AI tasks. This makes your code a joy to use and share.
Great tips, Anastasia. In AI, clean functions improve collaboration and reduce bugs. Practice these habits to prep for Day 38's modules, wizards.
Wizards, combine functions with Day36's control flow. Use if inside def evaluate underscore model to check conditions or loops in process underscore features to filter data. This creates powerful, reusable AI logic.
It's like combining spells, wizards. Functions with if or for make your AI code modular and dynamic. Try combining them in our challenge to see the magic.
Wizards, save function.demo.py and ai.processing.py in VS Code with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. It's like sealing your spells in a vault. Store them in a Python demo folder and back them up on GitHub or cloud storage. Your AI code is a treasure worth protecting.
Share your scripts on GitHub, Discord, or X Wizards. Your function code is proof of your AI skills. Show it off. Saving ensures you're ready for Day 38's modules.